Transpiration in plants. Transpiration means water vapors comes out from the stomata, called transpiration. Water vapors comes out through the stomata is called transpiration. It is followed by three types. One is stomatal transpiration. Second one is cuticular transpiration. Third one is lenticular transpiration. Stomatal transpiration means water vapor comes out from the stomata, called stomatal transpiration. 95% of transpiration done by stomatal transpiration only. Cuticular transpiration. See children, here it is mistake here. Cuticular transpiration. Cuticular transpiration means water vapors comes out from the cuticle. It is in xerophytes. Third one is lenticular transpiration. Water vapors comes out from the lenticles of the shoot. At old age of plants perform lenticular transpiration. Mainly three types of transpirations in the plants. One is stomatal transpiration. Second one is cuticular transpiration. Third one is lenticular transpiration. These are the three types of transpirations occurs in the plants. Now in our syllabus, stomatal transpiration, how to participate stomatal complex in the transpiration. Before that, we know the stomatal distribution, stomatal structure. See, based on the distribution, types of stomata, based on the distribution. Based on the distribution, types of stomata are following types. They are apple type stomata. Apple type stomata. Apple type stomata means stomatas present only in lower epidermis. See, it is leaf, TS, it is upper epidermis, it is lower epidermis. Stomatas are present in only lower epidermis, called apple type stomata. Second one is potato type stomata. Potato type stomata means more number of stomatas are present in the lower epidermis and less number of stomatas are present in the upper epidermis. See children, in this diagram, it is upper epidermis, it is lower epidermis. What is potato type? In lower epidermis, more number of stomatas are present. In upper epidermis, less number of stomatas are present, called potato type stomata. And oat type stomata. Oat type stomata means on the both epidermal regions. On the both epidermal regions, equal number of stomatas are present. Equal number of stomatas are present, called oat type stomata. Nymphia type stomata. Nymphias type stomata means the stomata present only on upper epidermis. It is upper epidermis, it is lower epidermis. Stomatas are present on the upper epidermis only, called nymphia type stomata. Fifth type is photomosaiton type. Photomosaiton type means stomatas are absent or stomatas are irregularly present on the both epidermis. Not in proper structure, not in proper number, called photomosaiton type. Types of stomata based on the distributions, mainly 5 types. One is apple type stomata. Second one, potato type stomata. Third one, oat type stomata. Fourth one, nymphia type stomata. Fifth one, photomosaiton type stomata. It is distribution. It is based on the distribution. Now, based on the position of stomata, based on the position of stomata, there are following types. One is ampistomatal leaves. Ampistomatal leaves means stomatas are present on both epidermis. On both epidermis, stomatas are present, called mesophytes, called ampistomatal leaves. Hypostomatal leaves. Hypostomatal leaves means stomatas are present on the lower epidermis only. Stomatas are present on the lower epidermis. Example, Bignonia. Epistomatal leaves. Stomatas are present on the upper epidermis only, called epistomatal leaves. Example, hydrophytes. These are the position of stomata. These are based on the position of stomata. And the next one is based on the movement of stomata, based on the movement of God cells. There are three types again. One is apple type stomata. This type stomatas are open during the daytime and closed 2 to 3 hours in the evening. Apple type stomata mean, see children, already apple type stomata is completed based on the distribution. Here it is, we discussed about the based on the movement of God cells. Again here it is apple type stomata. Apple type stomata means this type of stomatas are open during the daytime and closed 2 to 3 hours in the evening, called apple type stomata. It based on the movement. And the second one, potato type stomata. The stomatas are open 2 to 3 hours during the daytime only. Remaining time it is closed. Potato type stomata means open 2 to 3 hours during the daytime. Remaining hours are closed. And barley type stomata. Barley type stomata means the stomatas are open only in the evening time, but rest of the time they are closed. These are the three types of stomata based on the movement of God cells. Now we discussed about the stomatal structure. Stomata structure. See children, it is a stomata. It is dicot stomatal complex. It is monocot stomatal complex. First we discussed about the dicot stomatal complex. In the dicot, the stomatal complex, first we know the what is mean of stomatal complex. Subsidiary cells, God cells combinedly called stomatal complex. Subsidiary cells, God cells combinedly called stomatal complex. The stomatal complex containing only two cells. They are God cells and subsidiary cells. See here it is, God cells are two only. God cells are two only. They are being in shaped in the dicots. They are being in shaped in the dicots. The bean shaped God cells containing two different types of position cell wall. At the center region, the two God cells are arranged in a opposite manner. During these arrangement of opposite manner, the God cell wall is in thick condition. And outside of these peripheral region of the God cell wall, it is in thin condition. Mean thick cell wall present at the center region of the God cells and thin cell wall present at the peripheral region of the God cell. Based on these two different cell walls, the stomatal complex are open, closed in the movement. Similar, the God cells are closed and open in the movement. And below the God cells are God cells covered by thick cell wall. It is completed. Below the thick cell wall, thin cell wall, thin layer is present. The thin layer is called plasma layer. Thin layer is called plasma layer. Below the plasma layer, liquid cytoplasm is present. In this cytoplasm, one nucleus, one large vacuole, remaining all cell organelles are present, including chloroplast. See, chloroplast cell organelles are present in the God cells. They play major role in the open and closed movement of stomata. And the two guard cells are covered by subsidiary cells. Based on the subsidiary cells, the dichots stomatal complexes are four types: anamocytic, anisocytic, parasitic, diacytic. These are the four types of stomata. See, here it is. On these God cells, subsidiary cells are present. The subsidiary cells are covered with cell wall. Below the cell wall, thin plasma layer is present. Below the plasma layer, liquid cytoplasm is present with nucleus. In these subsidiary cells, chloroplast particles, chloroplast cell organelles are absent. Chloroplast cell organelles present in the God cells. Remind, it is important point during the movement of stomatal complex. In subsidiary cells, chloroplast pigments or chloroplast particles are absent. Between the God cells and subsidiary cells, canal-like structures are present. The canal-like structures are called plasmodesmata. They are mainly exchanged minerals, liquids between the subsidiary cells and God cells. It is the dicot stomatal complex. And comes to the monocot stomatal complex. Remaining all characters are similar, but the God cells of monocot, they are in dumbbell shape. Dumbbell shape God cells are present in opposite manner. In dicots, two God cells, they are bean shaped. In monocot, two God cells, they are dumbbell in shape. Remaining all characters are similar. These are the dicot stomata and monocot stomatal complex structure.